अपार्ट फ्रॉम एक्टिंग पॉलिटिक्स के लिए कभी सोचा है? बिकॉज रोड शो में जब आपने अपने पिताजी को सपोर्ट किया था, पीपल वेंट क्रेजी.
Want to do a lot for them, but I don't want to do this part-time shift, you know. And I feel एक तो युवा नेताओं की कमी है, तो अच्छा रहेगा अगर और युवा नेता आए. And I feel like I want to really get in there when I can serve them, because it's about serving people.
Again in season 3, it's been intense.
Yeah.
So I want to know that, what's gonna be next.
I don't know. I think our writers are very creative,
Yeah.
and I think they've taken upon themselves that every time there has to be something different and something new. And now we are going into the dark side, so everything is like that. It's very moody.
Yeah.
It takes you in that zone, and you get this semblance that, oh my God, there is something that's
Yeah.
cooking.
But then when parents work so hard to create opportunities, and then when children come into acting, they are termed as nepotism. How do you take that?
When it comes to the next generation, it's just to make it a little easier so they have the buffet of life. Access a few more things that perhaps we did not have access to. Thank you
Such
very
a nice
much. Yes.
interview. I
Yeah.
enjoyed myself.
Thank you so much. Hi, this is Asa Tripathi and welcome to Awesome TV, which lets you be simply awesome. Today we have with us Neha and Neel, of course, for Illegal Season 3. Season 1, Season 2 was outstanding, and now Neel is also adding some spark in it, and Neha, you've always been adding so much of spark, so it's gonna be super fun. How excited are you all, because you all are getting good reviews and everything already?
Thank you,
From the
first of
trailer.
all, that you liked season 1 and season
Yeah.
2. Really appreciate it. Yes, we are very excited for season 3, and we have a new entrant, Neel, on season
Oh,
3,
right, yeah.
who's adding a lot of spark, as you said.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was so fun working with him, and now finally to see the character of Neel coming into play, and I feel like they worked a lot on his character, and he just looks perfect for the part.
Yes, he
And,
does.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
But we really don't know what exactly he's gonna do, and it's still a mystery. Neel, what do you want to say about your character? If you want to elaborate a bit.
Asta, I think I had so much fun to
Yeah.
sort of step into this ongoing game
Yeah.
of this courtroom drama, Illegal, to have a brand and a franchise that is set up already. That a lot of people, especially when I had got it and when I was about to shoot, I would tell my friends, if anybody asked me what are they doing, and they were like, yeah, isn't Neha Sharma in that? And I was like, I swear, I'm not kidding. And I'm like, yes, that's true. like, and
nice.
some of them had seen it, and some, even the ones who hadn't seen it, were still aware of who's in
Everyone.
it and what it's about. So I thought it was just fantastic to be able to get this. And Neha's right that there was a whole team, of course, just working on bringing, because the previous players of Akshay, Satyadeep, Piyush ji, Neha, Achin, everybody is already there and they are set.
Definitely.
So now if you're going to add new elements into it, they should only add to it and by no means try and bring the ship down.
But were you having fun, or it was, consciously it was a pressure on you that you have to definitely perform?
Asta, it was great fun because this character that I play of Dushyant is a foul mouth. There's lots of gali galoch. Then he's an MCP from the 90s.
Wow.
And to be able to, especially in society now, where you're trying to be so careful and not offend anybody, or try and predict if I say this, then maybe that will be perceived differently 20 years later also. None of that stuff. It was just like, and Sahir Raza, our director, who I had worked with 10 years ago for a short film.
Yeah.
This you don't know. No.
Oh, wow.
He
So
shot,
you all have a history already.
Yes. Imad Shah was directing this short film.
Yeah.
Sahir was a DOP?
Sahir was the DOP.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And it was quite risque, so he's seen me.
And I'm sure
Not
you
wearing
guys
much
have
clothes.
evolved in your craft. Everyone.
Yes.
10
Sahir
years.
definitely, I hope I have, but
Of course
Yeah, it's good. And for me that's a sign of success when you know your people and you know everybody comes back together after about 4 years, 5 years, 10
I
years.
want to see that short film now.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
still working on
And
it.
I want to watch that.
I'm serious. I'm not. This is not. It's a
That's
Murakami based thing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's come out good. Tuesday's Women
Yeah.
is the name of it.
So, you know, Illegal is very popular for the kind of cases they pick. And, you know, even Neha, with you, you are this bubbly girl who I didn't expect in season 1 would be so intense. But again, in season 2, we, you know, saw your love story also. Even with your fashion, they did so much of changes, right?
Yeah.
Now, again, in season 3, it's been intense.
Yeah.
So, I want to know that, you know, what's going to be next.
I don't know. I think our writers are very creative,
Yeah.
and I think they've taken upon themselves that every time there has to be something different and something new. I'm really amazed that you paid attention to the fact that we changed the styling a lot in the
Yeah.
season 2 because we wanted her to be a little more glamorous.
Yeah.
And then now we are going into the dark side. So everything is like that. It's very moody.
Yeah.
It takes you in that zone, and you get this semblance that, oh my God, there is something that's
Yeah.
cooking. So I'm glad you noticed. I think the writers have a success there. Season 4, Samar को phone करती हूँ अभी, and I'm gonna ask him यार
Yeah.
क्या हो रहा है
Yeah.
season 4 में. Let me know.
I think कुछ वापस से मसाला आएगा season 4 में फिर से. But talking about this dialogue which you have in a trailer
Yeah.
that says that you want to be the best lawyer in the world. So this question is for both of y'all. When y'all are acting, of course, as an actor, do y'all always manifest that I want to be the best actor and I don't want to do any compromise with the script?
Asta, are you an actor?
No,
But you've acted before, no?
no, I haven't.
Okay. I mean, you manifest.
Yeah.
I manifest being busy and like sort of working and
Yeah.
trying to do something which would really add. I mean, it's the only seva I can do, acting, you know.
Yeah.
So that's what I manifest. But I trust tremendously the creative flow.
Okay.
In the day, you have a shift, 10 hours, 12 hours, sometimes 14 and more. But you know that if you just pay attention
Yeah.
and you be present, it will come together. Because it's not just you, it's a whole team that's making your character come alive and the scene come alive. And that's on set. Uske baad, then of course there's music and editing.
But you never compromise on your script in any way.
What
Just
do you
for the
like?
sake of acting, like, you know, just because you want to be on screen,
हाँ
you
जी.
won't just take up any script because there's a
She-
dialogue.
what
Yeah.
she means is, do you take up anything to just work as
To
an
just
actor?
work as an actor,
to
to
make
just
a
be
living,
on
to
screen.
make money? Or you would pick your scripts based on जितना काम नील ने किया है, I feel that clearly says that he's only
pretty
there when
versatile.
he believes in the script. I feel like all his work is like that. He just doesn't do anything for the heck of it.
Yeah.
So I
Gee,
think
but
that's...
nor do you, but
No. I mean,
yeah, thank you, but yeah.
yeah.
It's you got to strike a balance, and the industry is it's very exciting. Yes, we are in the best times. There is still scope to polish up the entire thing,
Yeah.
but
I feel sometimes
हाँ जी.
there are a few offers that come to you, and there are only that many things being made. So you know, either you create that work, or else you will have to somewhere. यार ये चार चीजें मुझे offer हो रही हैं. I'll have to pick the best out of that because
Yes,
that's
of
been
course.
offered to me.
Yes.
So you know, I mean, I would love to create something of my own where I'll be like, okay, मुझे यही करना है because this is a script I love. But I mean, first make that money and then maybe produce and then maybe
Yes.
direct, all of that.
Yes.
But for now, I feel like you have to pick from what is being offered. So I mean, it would be ideal to do things that you think will be great. But sometimes, I mean, we also have to earn a living and do all of that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
not always can you be so picky.
correct.
I totally agree with that. Neha, apart from acting, पॉलिटिक्स के लिए कभी सोचा है? बिकॉज रोड शो में जब आपने अपने पिताजी को सपोर्ट किया था, पीपल वेंट क्रेजी, बहुत सारे स्पेकुलेशंस दैट वी वांट टू सी नेहा शर्मा, इज शी यू नो कंटेस्टिंग और समथिंग.
I enjoy it a lot.
Yeah.
Since it's something in the family I'm very much interested and inclined. Having said that, I think any daughter, any son would want to support their parents. So it comes from there. I mean, in whatever capacity I can, I would love to. And I'm very proud of him and he's very proud of me. So standing next to him is always a joyous moment for me. Having said that, it's like life comes a full circle. So, मेरे लिए going back to my hometown and receiving all the love from my people is huge. It's probably, if I look back at my life, has been the biggest highlight of my life. I mean, that joy, that pride that I saw in their eyes, oof, that is something I cannot express in words. So for me, that has been, it's been a life-altering moment for me. So I know that at some point I now want to give back to them because there's so much they've given me with love, with respect, with acceptance. So I want to do a lot for them. But I don't want to do this part-time shift, you know. I feel like there are some commitments that I have already here. I want to see them as a professional. I want to see them. I've obviously trying to make a name for myself before I can work for them. And I feel एक तो युवा नेताओं की कमी है, तो अच्छा रहेगा अगर और युवा नेता आए.
Yes, we will love it.
Yes, and I feel like I want to really get in there when I can serve them because it's about serving people. It cannot be about your own selfish goals in life. So I feel like जब सही वक्त आएगा तो इंशाल्लाह.
Great, and we would love to see you wherever we can see, definitely. No pressure on you. Okay, lastly, my last question is to Neil. Neil, you have said once in your interview that you and your wife are working really hard so that you can create opportunities for your child. But then, you know, when parents work so hard to create opportunities and then when children come into acting, they are termed as nepotism. How do you take that?
I think it's the best thing to have nepotism. No.
As parents, you're always proud of your child.
Yes, but I didn't mean opportunities just in the acting arena. Like if he watches any of my shows, he's like, "Papa, can we put cartoons on?" So you know, I don't know what Fateh's future is going to be, but what I meant in that article was that it's nice to, like Nandini and I, of course, work hard because you grow in society. You know, and both of us, I think working is the only way you can actually bato pyar in this world. The economics ebb and flow, you know, but it averages it out. But if you have to get out and you have to contribute to the world around you, and you can only do that through work. So I think it's a Khalil Gibran thing. I had read it somewhere. So that's what it is. And when it comes to the next generation, it's just to make it a little easier so they have the buffet of life. So then they can access a few more things that perhaps we did not have access to.
That's amazing, and every parent, I'm sure, thinks the best for their child and their children. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. It was
Thank
really
you,
nice
Astha.
having a conversation with you all, and all the very best for Illegal 3, and then more to go.
Thank you. It
Thank
was
you
such a
very much.
nice
Yes.
interview. I
Yeah.
enjoyed myself.
Thank you so much, and all the very best once again.
So
And
like
now
how
I'm gonna
you're
go and
sticking
binge
to your
watch.
dad and you know contributing, I hope Fateh does the same.
Wow, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Now this is a proud moment for
Of
you.
course, of course.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
love.
Any
Thanks,
message to
Astha.
the audience out there?
Yes, Illegal Season 3 is coming out on the 29th. तो 7 दिन है. Jio Cinema का app download करिए.
Yes.
Watch it, please.
Yes. Jug Jug Geo.